and welcome to Film Mixologist. So today we're carrying on with the good old Lister D saga, and as you can see here, I've got an original tank, obviously a very used and rusty original tank. I mean, I don't know, you might not be able to hear it from there, but I can see bits of rust in the tank. And oh, here it is. Look at that, lovely rust. Now, the reason I bought this is because I've realized that I had the original straps from the tank. So I said, why don't I try to see if I can find an original tank? And this came up on kind of eBay. So I thought, you know what? Let's just buy it. And I'll try to see if I can restore it. Okay, so here's what we're looking at after the first round of blasting. Again, this isn't to get it perfect, but what I wanted to do here is I was trying to just take the rough bits out, and especially try to deal a bit with the rust. Now, what I need to do is I need to check. What does it look inside now? Actually, you know what? I think I'm tentatively declaring this a win. So there might be some glass beads in here, but actually the structure of the tank is okay, and crucially I think I've got rid most of the rust inside. So now what I need to do is I need to take off the paint, prime it, and get it ready to reassemble. Okay, so as you can see now, the tank has been completely blasted. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a little clean with acetone, and because there were some bits of surface rust outside, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a coat of rust converter, so that I make sure that it's going to be okay, and then it's going to be the primer. And this is how the tank, this is the final stage of the tank. It is, as you can see, it's been primed. So there's absolutely no rust anywhere, and I'm going to try and see if I can show you the inside of the tank, which is also in quite good condition now. Let's have a look if I can shine a light inside the tank, and probably can't see it very well. Let's see there. Yeah, more or less. Yeah. So yeah, so the tank is absolutely fine now, and obviously it's got a few dents and dimples and that kind of thing, but that adds a bit to the character of it. So now it's gonna remain primed until the time it comes to kind of paint with that new Mid Brunswick green paint.